0-0 it remains, and up comes Matt Alstrand. Yes, sir. Takes a couple strikes. And singles on an 0-2 count. That was a clutch at bat there. That's nice. Nice piece of hitting there. On an 0-2 count. Single from Matt Alstrand. Now Starlin Castro takes a ball. Takes a strike. Someone's up there like a skeleton taking pitches. 3-1 right now. 3-2.